The latest on the rise in COVID cases. Capitol reporter Emily Fannin tells us why health officials won't rule out more restrictions in the future. Emily.
Yeah, right now, state and local health officials say over the next few days, they'll be able to determine if this spike in COVID-19 infections was just a one-time thing or a trend that could lead to more restrictions.
At any time, we may have to go back to more restrictive measures based on the data.
After weeks of COVID-19 cases holding steady, health professionals are now closely monitoring the data after an uptick in cases this week. This is used as a tool for state and local health departments to determine whether or not to implement more restrictions.
I would call this, concerning. Not quite alarming yet, and we're in a watch and see, wait and see kind of period here over the next several days to a week.
For now, health departments say it's too early to make a decision if capacity limits on indoor and outdoor gatherings will be impacted. Governor Evers is also monitoring the COVID-19 trends to see if he'll issue another statewide mask requirement, which is set to expire April 5th.
It needs to be continuing downward, and frankly, that is not happening right now. It seems to be plateauing. So if need be, we will be issuing that order in the near future.
Hospitalizations are also on the rise in the southeastern part of the state. St. Mary's Hospital in Madison is also experiencing an increase in COVID-19 patients. Officials say while it's concerning, it's not alarming, as they say they feel well prepared for what lies ahead.
I don't think a point of alarm by any means. It's something that you closely monitor, and we're in a great position from an overall PPE perspective and closely monitoring our supply chain.
Health officials I spoke to today say they also don't think it was premature to shut down the field hospital on the state fairgrounds or for testing sites to close or to reduce their hours. Health officials, again, their message today is to stay the course to avoid another surge. In Madison, Emily Fannin, CBS 58 News.